to my channel. This is a cookbook kitchen and my name is Carol. Welcome to Vlogmas with the Cookbook Kitchen, and today guys we have a very interesting video. We have a new recipe. So guys, today we are cooking from this book by Dr. Gundry. The book is called The Longevity Paradox by Dr. Gundry, How to Die Young at a Ripe Old Age. Dr. G. So in today's video, we'll try and make walnut and nutmeg horchata. I hope I've pronounced it correctly. If I've murdered the pronunciation, I'm sorry. Walnut and nutmeg horchata. So we'll make the horchata and then we'll make hot chocolate with it. So let's hope it will turn out nicely. Welcome to today's video. Let's see what we are working with. So guys, this is what we are working with today. I have some walnuts, I have some millet, some powdered erythritol, I have some nutmeg and some cinnamon. As always, check the book for the exact measurements for the recipe. So we'll start by toasting our millet and our walnuts over medium heat. The walnut and the millet. The book says that you are going to stir frequently until the walnuts smell toasty. Toast. I think it's ready. As you can see, can you smell? But you can't smell. But I believe it's ready. So for the next step, I've transferred my mixture into a spice grinder. We are going to pulse it until it's powdery. So here is our millet mixture. Now we are going to blend it with the rest of the ingredients. The millet mixture, the cinnamon and the nutmeg, and the orange zest. So we are supposed to blend it until a powder is formed. Okay. Hot water and the erythritol. This is powdered, and then we blend the mixture. This is how my mixture looks, guys. I'm going to add some cold water, then I'll let it cool to room temperature, then I chill it for 4 hours. Let's hope we can make some hot chocolate with our horchata. So I'll transfer mine to the jug. Then I put some cold water here that I can rinse the remaining. Then I mix. So see you after around 4 hours and some minutes. So guys, I am back. Here is our horchata. It's been chilling for 4 hours in the fridge. Now we need to sieve. So here it is, guys. So I'll try and make some hot chocolate with our horchata. We see how it's going to come out. This is how it looks, guys. So let's taste first. Before we taste, I've forgotten we need to put some vanilla. A teaspoon of vanilla extract. So you go back. How can I forget? How can I forget? Let me taste horchata for the first time in my life. Yes, so. Interesting. Wow. What does it taste like? I don't know. They taste nice. But I can't see what it tastes like. Ama hii ni mursik ya wazungu. Mursik ya wazungu. Ndio hii hapa. Hey. So let's make some hot chocolate. I have half a cup of water I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. So we need to stir this for a while. I'm going to add 1.5 cup of the horchata. I'll add 100 grams of dark chocolate. I'm using 70% dark chocolate. So we let it simmer until the chocolate completely melts. Guys, I think our chocolate is ready. Now we serve and taste and see if this horchata has given us some nice chocolates, hot chocolates. I'm going to top mine with some whipping cream. And more chocolate. So guys, let's taste and give our verdict. Wow. It tastes really nice, and I didn't add any more sweetener. The only sweetness that is there is from the horchata recipe from the book. That was the powdered that was the powdered erythritol, and it's still sweet. Wow, guys! Surprise! 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 Hey, I am impressed. I am impressed. Guys, as you can see, we are enjoying. It's really nice. That's it for today. Don't forget, the book that we are using for the horchata is The Longevity Paradox by Dr. Gundry, and we brought in our own concoction of hot chocolate during this festive season. So try out the recipe. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. See you tomorrow, same time, same place. Bye bye, and God bless.